Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly join the amazing family by subscribing. Today we are making some plantain chips. These chips, it is so addictive, so crunchy, so delicious. When you start munching on it, you can't stop. And so if you are fit farming, your faith farm is definitely going to disown you today. Let's get right into it. I have here some plantains which I have nicely washed, one onion which I have cut into 4 pieces, and 3 cloves of garlic which I have lightly crushed. I'm going to begin by preheating my oil, and I will add the onion and the garlic to it. And what this is going to do is to flavor the oil so that the chips will take up all the flavors from the onion and the garlic. I'm going to proceed by peeling my plantains, and as you know, green plantains don't peel easily like the ripe ones. So what I do is to make a slit in the skin of the plantain all the way through, and then use my thumb to push away the skin from the fruit, if that's what it's even called. If you know the correct name, let me know in the comment section. So I'm going to push it away until I've removed all the skin. And I will use my hand or my knife to remove anything that wasn't able to peel off at once. So now that all our plantains are peeled, I'm going to set it aside and check on our oil. The oil is nice and hot, so I'm going to use my mandolin to slice the plantain into the oil. And as soon as I slice it into it, I'm going to stir so they don't stick on each other. And I'm going to stir in between until it's done. And when it's done, the bubble will cease. So I will remove, after the first batch, I will remove the onions and the garlic from the oil as well and proceed with the rest of the plantain. You can definitely do this by slicing the plantains yourself, but you just have to make them very thin. Just look at how thin the mandolin slices it. It will be difficult to beat it by hand. I'm going to fry up all the plantain, and then we'll proceed with the next step. I sprinkled the chips with some salt after each batch I fried, and I'm going to do the same with the last batch and toss everything around. And our chips is ready. You can also sprinkle with some cayenne pepper or some paprika for some spiciness. But for the sake of my children, I'm leaving mine plain. Look at how gorgeous and beautiful this looks. It's so crunchy, so addictive. I'm telling you guys, once you start munching on this, you wouldn't be able to stop. This to me is what makes cooking fun and exciting. Transforming just few ingredients into this delicious and beautiful meal or snack we are looking at. So remember that cooking should always be fun and exciting. So try to cook each meal with love and see it radiate through the hearts of your family. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye!